In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restore your PlayStation 5 using backup data from a USB drive. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more PlayStation 5 content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But what you're going to want to do is first, obviously make sure that you do have your USB drive plugged into your PlayStation 5 right now. And after doing so, from the home screen of your PlayStation 5, go ahead and scroll up and select the settings cogwheel up in the top right corner and scroll down until you see this system option within your settings. From here, go ahead and make sure you're in system software and scroll over and then all the way down until you see this backup and restore option right here, and then select it and choose restore your PlayStation 5. Now, once again, if you haven't already plugged in your USB drive, make sure that you go ahead and plug in your USB drive that currently contains your backup data, and your PS5 is going to detect that backup. Now, I didn't actually back up my USB drive for this, but when you're in this section, you're going to see the backup file that you can restore from. Go ahead and select that, and you're going to have a warning that restoring will reset your PlayStation 5 to factory defaults and then load your saved backup. So keep that in mind. But whenever you're ready, select restore at the bottom of your screen, and your PlayStation 5 is going to reset and then reload everything from your backup. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. You've now restored your PlayStation 5 from a USB backup. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.